Oh my gosh, guys. We live in this house. We can't. Oh my god. We hear all these things, all these noises, bangs, and I can't understand. And we can't find any. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh my gosh. What the heck? There's nothing. What the heck? See what I mean? Nothing. See? No.
Maybe it's just our imagination.
Yeah. That's nothing. Or don't video play back. But anyways, what I was saying is that. Oh my gosh. Did you hear that? That's. Oh, I can't get over this. Oh my gosh.
What?
What is that?
I'm sure it's just our imagination.
No.
Oh,
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Josh!
Look at this. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Look at this. They're all open. Oh, there's something in here. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? What the heck? Oh my gosh. Go, 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 go. Oh, it's moving. Go, go. Oh gosh. Please, please stop.